Hello traders, welcome to my channel, Sam Trading Strategies. Today, I'm excited to share one of my all-time favorite strategies, the pocket option third candle trend continuation strategy. This strategy is not only simple to understand but also highly effective. Here on this channel, you'll find unique strategies you won't see anywhere else. So if you're new here, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications to stay updated with more amazing strategies. Before we begin, a quick reminder. Trading binary options involves risk. You can lose your investment, and past performance does not guarantee future results. This video is for educational purposes only and not financial advice. Always trade responsibly and only with money you can afford to lose. Now, let's jump straight into the strategy. This strategy focuses on analyzing the first two candles, and based on their behavior, we decide whether to trade on the third candle. Here's how it works. Scenario 1. Trend continuation. Sell trade. If the first candle is a strong bearish, red candle, and the second candle is a weak bullish, green candle, it sets up the trade. But here's the key. The second candle must be less than half the size of the first bearish candle. If it meets these conditions, we take a sell trade on the third candle. Scenario 2. Trend continuation. Buy trade. If the first candle is a strong bullish, green candle, and the second candle is a weak bearish, red candle, the trade setup is valid. The second candle must be less than half the size of the first bullish candle. If these criteria are met, we take a buy trade on the third candle. Important notes. If the second candle is even half the size of the first candle, this strategy does not apply. This strategy works best in a trending market and is not ideal for ranging markets. Use a 1-minute time frame for the candles. The trade expiry is also 1 minute. This strategy works well in OTC markets, but I haven't tested it in real-time markets yet. To master this strategy and see it in action, make sure to watch this video till the end. I'll be taking live trades in different market situations to show you how this strategy works and explain every detail. If you skip ahead, you might miss crucial information that can make or break your trades. Remember, patience and practice are the keys to mastering this strategy. Let's jump into some live trades and see how this strategy performs in real time. Friends, this is a perfect trend continuation buy trade. Here's why. The first candle is a strong bullish candle, confirming upward momentum. The second candle is a weak bearish candle, and its size is less than half of the first bullish candle. This setup perfectly matches our strategy, making it a wise decision to take a trend continuation buy trade here. Before we proceed, I want to highlight something important. The trade setup is near a resistance level, but don't worry. In this case, the resistance is weak, and there's still room for another bullish candle to form. However, always keep support and resistance levels in mind when taking trades. Support and resistance levels act like barriers in the market. If a trade setup is near a strong SNR level, the market might reverse instead of continuing the trend. In such cases, it's better to wait for a clear breakout or avoid the trade altogether. This simple adjustment can significantly improve your success rate and help you make smarter trading decisions. We won this trade. It's always satisfying to see the strategy working in real time. Now let's move on and look for the next trade setup that fits our strategy. Friends, according to our strategy, this is a perfect trend continuation sell trade. Let me explain why. The first candle has formed as a strong bearish candle, showing solid downward momentum. The second candle has formed as a weak bullish candle, and its size is less than half the size of the first bearish candle. This setup aligns perfectly with our strategy. Another great factor here is that the market is currently in a downtrend, which increases the chances of the trend continuing. This makes it an even better opportunity for us. So, taking a trend continuation sell trade here is a smart decision. Let's see how this trade performs. While we do that, let me remind you of a key point. Patience is key in trading. Don't rush into trades. Always wait for the ideal setup as per the strategy. We won this trade. It's always satisfying to see our strategy working perfectly. This is why sticking to the rules and waiting for the right setup is so important. Now let's analyze the market again and search for the next trade setup that fits our strategy. Friends, this is another perfect trend continuation buy trade based on our strategy. Here's why. The first candle has formed as a strong bullish candle, confirming upward momentum. The second candle has formed as a weak bearish candle, and its size is less than half the size of the first bullish candle, which perfectly aligns with our strategy. Even better, the current market trend is an uptrend, adding to the strength of this setup. With all these factors in our favor, taking a trend continuation buy trade here is a smart decision. We won this trade. This is why it's so important to follow the strategy step by step and make decisions based on clear setups. Success comes when we stay disciplined and stick to the plan. Let's move on to the next setup and continue trading with confidence. Friends, this is yet another perfect trend continuation buy trade based on our strategy. Let's quickly break down why this trade setup works. The first candle is a strong bullish candle, showing a clear upward trend. The second candle is a weak bearish candle, and its size is less than half the size of the first bullish candle. This setup aligns perfectly with our strategy, making it a great opportunity to take a trend continuation buy trade right now. Now, let's see the result of this final trade for today's session. We won this trade. It's always rewarding to see the strategy perform consistently. This is why patience and discipline are so important in trading. By following a proven method and waiting for the right setups, you can make informed decisions and increase your chances of success. This brings us to the end of today's trading session. Let's quickly recap the key points of the trend continuation third candle strategy. Look for the first candle to be strong in the trend's direction, bullish or bearish. The second candle should be weak and less than half the size of the first candle. Confirm that the market trend aligns with the direction of the trade. Uptrend for buy trades, downtrend for sell trades. Remember, patience, discipline, and sticking to the strategy are your biggest assets in trading. Don't force trades. Wait for the ideal setup. If you found this session helpful and enjoyed learning this strategy, here's how you can support the channel and stay updated. Like this video to show your support. Comment below if you have any questions or want to share your experience using this strategy. Subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on more exclusive trading strategies and tips. Thank you for watching, friends. Keep practicing, stay disciplined, and I'll see you in the next video with another powerful trading strategy. Until then, happy trading and take care.